Randy here in the Eastwood Garage, and today we're going to take a look at the best, most complete lighting system we've ever offered. Want to really light up your engine compartment and keep both hands free to do work? How about a light that you can easily disconnect to get as close as possible to the part you're working on, whether it's in the engine compartment, under the car, or even in the interior? How about a light that you can also attach to a stand to use when you're doing other work around the garage, or even in the house during construction or when you're painting? Then you need to check out this Eastwood Modular Lighting System that you can buy in pieces or as a complete kit. And a bonus is that you can add more lights to the bar and stand if you really want to expand their uses. Plus, it's a fraction of the price of the competition while maintaining the features you want. As always, to visit Eastwood for more information at any time during this video, simply click or tap the button in the top corner. It has 1,000 lumens on its brightest setting, providing plenty of light no matter where it's being used, whether it's under the car, inside the interior in hard-to-reach places like under the dash, or in its most popular form, attached to the light bar, which is easy with a quick connect button. With it snapped into place, it becomes an awesome underhood work light that stretches from 48 to 72 inches. That's 4 to 6 feet, so it will fit anything from a small car to a very large truck, and the pads will protect your paint. The 170-degree adjustment allows you to aim the light right where you need it. Just look at the way this thing lights up. And now you can see the entire engine compartment and have both hands free to do work. You can also slide the light along the bar to really direct it into tight spots all around the engine compartment. Plus, with a flip of the switch, you can remove the light and use it by itself to see in tough spots under or around the car. And remember, the light bar isn't just for engine compartments. It can be stretched across a roof of a car you're restoring or even in a new car's interior. Another great feature is that you can even attach additional lights to the bar, which is great for working all around the engine compartment or if you have a truck with a really large engine bay. The light bar also makes a great shop light under your cabinets. It can also be attached to the stand for a great light to use when doing all kinds of work outside the car, especially when buffing. LED lights are great to use when polishing or buffing paint because they really allow you to see any scratches or imperfections, so you can easily see the areas you need to continue to work on. And don't forget, you can also connect up to 3 lights to the stand, allowing you to really light up the side of a car, or an entire wall or room when doing work, making it a light that's not just for under the hood. And since you can use it while it's plugged in and charging, it's a light that you can use all day. Let's check out some more features. Rather than only having a couple settings for brightness, this light can be dimmed all the way from the super bright 1,000 lumens down to 100 lumens by simply holding the button until you get the brightness you want, and then releasing, giving you a virtually endless amount of settings. It has a magnetic base, which is nice when you're using it without the bar or stand, because with the wide range of tilt adjustment, you can still aim the light where you need it to keep both hands free to do work. The color-coded LEDs indicate the battery charge level, and it comes with a 12-volt charger with a really long 9-foot cord, which comes in handy when you're using it for long periods of time and want to work with it plugged into the wall, charging. It also comes with an accessory-style power port charger to be used in a car. If you're still using a drop cord, you know they're a pain to use. They don't put out enough light, they get hot and burn you or your interior, and when you hang them up, they shine into the bottom of the hood. And if you hold the light so you can actually see, you can't use both hands. Plus, you have a cord dragging along your fender, scratching the paint. This modular lighting kit allows you to work with both hands free while lighting the entire area. Even newer style LED lights aren't that much of an improvement. You're usually still stuck with a light aimed at one small spot, or you're holding it with one hand so you can see and trying to work with the other. And you're definitely not using them all around the car, garage, or house like you are with this lighting kit. And that's why this modular lighting kit from Eastwood also makes such a great gift. To get your lighting kit today at eastwood.com, click or tap the button in the top corner of the video or follow the link that appears on screen.